Your dressing up should be intentional because your clothes carry your energy. And if you walk in confidence with that energy radiating through your clothes, that becomes your signature style. So if you want to concentrate on the color contrast and make it the focal point of attention, be very sure that that should be dominant and all the other areas in your clothing should be lesser in nature. Do not add any statement pieces onto the print which is already very large. Go light on your jewelry. It could be light earrings or some nice bangles to take the attention just to one particular direction. And rest of the clothing should absolutely be the focal of attention because attention always goes to the contrast, and make sure your contrast is the focal point of attention and all the other areas lesser or subordinate in degree as far as the dominance of contrast is concerned. Only then you will present a unified look.